Good morning and welcome back, fellows. Sometimes it's easier to rewrite genetics than updating Microsoft Excel. There are tens and thousands of genes in human body, twists of DNA and RNA that combine to express all the traits and characteristics that make each one of us unique. Each gene is given a name and alphanumeric code known as a symbol, which scientists use to coordinate their research. But over the past few years or so, some 27 human genes have been renamed, all because of Microsoft Excel. Interesting fact, isn't it? This has been done keeping misreading their symbols as dates in mind. So the problem isn't as unexpected as it first sounds. Excel spreadsheets all the world have been regularly used by scientists to track their work and even conduct clinical trials and research. But its default settings were designed with more mundane applications in mind. So when a user inputs a gene's alphanumeric code or symbol into Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, for example, I'll give you one example, March 1. So this is short of this March 1 is membrane associated ring CH type finger 1. This is the basic characteristic which Excel converts into 1st of March. This is extremely frustrating, even dangerous, corrupting data that scientists have to sort through by hand to restore. It's also surprising widespread and affects even peer-reviewed scientific world. Um, one study from back in 2016 examined genetic data shared alongside to 3,597 publication papers and found that roughly one-fifth had been affected by Excel error. And this is really, really annoying, according to different scientists. And really, it is not something that is very easy to cope with. There are other examples as well. So in a way, March 1 has now changed and it has become March F1. So you can see now if I write it, it's a correct name appearing in this screen and it's not converted into a date. Similarly, there was Sept1 as well, which if you see, it's converted into a date. Its name has been changed from Sept1 to Sept-N1. So now it can also type. So you can see the difference, older version and newer version. So this is the difference that you can see. So Excel is interesting and sometimes it's funny and often it is scary when we talk about very serious research and detailed work done by our respected scientists. So this was just an example. I will share the link. This all was brought to you by the courtesy of The Verge. So I will share their link as well, where they've stated all the details of this research done. Please have a look at it. I think it's a learning for us when we run our projects, when we run our research to consider this kind of important conventions, naming conventions in mind, and guidelines to keep in mind while we work in Excel. So I hope, fellows, it was interesting for you. I I also request you to join my channel, share these videos as much as you can with your friends, with your families, and your colleagues, and comment. Don't forget to comment down there to make sure that we are communicating with each other. I wish you all a good rest of the day. Stay safe, fellows. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.